Welcome to the EduTech Lab. Today I will perform simple activity relative to total internal reflection of the light. The total internal reflection of the light is the phenomena that occur only in denser medium. So first look at the diagram. The object O is placed in the denser medium and I have considered 4 points A, B, C and D at the interface of the water and air. And the light is just coming from the object O is incident at a point A at angle I1. At a point A, the light is refracted in the real medium at angle R1. Then according to Snell's law, the mu is equal to sin I by sin R, and mu here is a refractive index, and the refractive index of the medium is always constant. It means the angle I is just directly proportional to the angle R. If the incident angle I will increase, then corresponding to the refracted angle is also increased. So again look at a point B. The light just incident from the object at a point B at angle I2, and the I2 is just greater than the I1. So according to Snell's law, so the R2 is also greater than the R1. And now when just light is incident at a point C at angle I, and I is equal to the C angle, and C is called the critical angle. Now when the light just incident at a point C at the critical angle C, and then refracted light make an angle 90 degrees with the normal, and the refracted light just move parallel to the surface of the water. And after that, when I just increase the value of the incident angle, then the critical angle C, the light just reflect into denser medium, not reflect in a rare medium. So at a point D, the total internal reflection occurs. So let's see the activity. Now I have green laser, and this beam of this laser is just incident at the top of this water. Then you can see the total internal reflection inside this water. You can see the light is not come out from the surface of this water into air, but just bend inside this water. So this is the total internal reflection. You can see the total internal reflection is not only occur in water, but it is also occur in the glass prism. You can see the total internal reflection in glass prism. The light just is incident at the surface but reflect inside the prism. And also when I just incident this light at the surface of this prism, and you can also see the total internal reflections.